Hi guys, my name is Faiz. Today I would like to show you how to make DIY maze. Let's get started. First thing first, we need the item, which is the glue gun. Ta-da! The knife. Ta-da! The ruler. Ta-da! The pencil. Ta-da! The rubber. Ta-da! And the main item is cardboard. First, we need to use the pencil, rubber, and ruler to draw the surface of the cardboard. Let's get started. Okay, the draw is done. You can look the maze draw. It's nice, guys. Then we put the pencil and the rubber aside. And now we use the knife and the new piece of the cardboard become a wall of the maze. Let's get started.
Seven hours later.
Okay, I already cut it to many pieces and you can see. And now we use the glue gun to glue all of it together.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Let's get started.
One eternity later.
And now we are done, and we wait the glue to dry. Okay.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
I have marker pen. I have glue gun. I will make a sign, start and finish. Let's get started. This is the result, the finished maze. Now you can play with it. Finish! It's fun, okay?